guys, so this is my 7-day post-op update. My sister picked me up from the hospital the next day. Day 2, I'm trying to walk straight. My friend Lassie comes in, pops by with some coffee and croissants to see me. My day 3, I'm still trying to walk straight. I'm brave girl. I've had 4 C-sections after all. And then day 4, I go to my surgeon for post-op, and he was very happy. My sister came with me. She's been taking care of me. Day 5, we're on the journey of recovery. And yeah, I still haven't gone to the loo though, so that was difficult. I'm swelling up, but it's not too bad. The drains are there, but I'm just getting used to them. Day 7, everything is normal again. It feels like I'm used to these babies. So yeah, that's been my day 7 post-op.
Lalela, uNozipho has gone and got her revenge booty. Well, she said it has nothing to do with a man, it's just her boosting her self-confidence, okay? But we all know, she's about to be hot right after the divorce, okay? Hot and single. While umyeni wakhe lapho uhanjiselwa ngama-tray uyagoqelwa ngaleni yazi nkosi yami. Anyway, finally we find out ukuthi uNozipho, what procedure did she have. She says wenze i-lipo. Hawe ma nkosi yami, I've seen those videos on YouTube. Bakufakelela pipe bamome ama and tummy tuck. Kanti why do you need lipo and tummy tuck? Guys, ngazini mina, but yes guys, already nje isisu sakhe, it looks flat, so it worked, the operation worked, and I'm sure she's gonna be happy with it after esehilile waba right. So yes, you guys, mina, my fear with these procedures is that they don't have to do them, but you can actually lose your life the same way that you can lose your life when you are going for an operation because you are sick. Now, you guys, we are happy that she is well. She looks good, okay? She looks good. And nango-ke noLassie, angazi kuLassie noma useqala i-secret society of liposuction yini, ngoba hayi ngathi uyena oserefera abantu ngala kodokotela bakhe abamshaya leya nto yakhe eyamkhipha ifiga yenyosi. Anyway, you guys, kantshanga sekubhizi guys, kubhizi ngoba ngala makubuka lana unkosikazi omdala uNozipho is busy fixing her body, and then ngala, on Instagram ukuthi kuxoxwa ngey'thombe, kuxoxwa ngey'thombe, kuxoxwa ngama-post on Instagram. You can think ukuthi someone else's post has nothing to do with the other one, but it absolutely has everything to do with the other one. So when uNozipho is posting here ukuthi update yakhe, she's looking good, she's healing well and all of that, umiso kuhle laphayana, the second wife naye uloku efaka iy'thombe zomshado, ule efaka iy'thombe zomshado. Ule efake nje ama-video omshado, it's what a beautiful day, nabangani bakhe, they are posting them and then bathi, yo, this was a beautiful day. Uyabona ukuthi umbango lo, uyabona uyabona ukuthi kunombango othile kodwa ongashiwo. Listen, guys, one thing about Mr. Ntshangase is that she knows how to choose them, okay? And also bayafana nje lamakhosikazi, masithi amadoda awazi ukuthi afuna nje awazi. Yazi indoda ingangishiya nje nguntando omdletshe, ihambe ifuna omunye untando omdletshe omnyama njengami, ono-grey hair njengami, ithi nje ayisangifuni mina, sifuna lo ofana exactly nami, ithi hayi ayisangifuni mina, sifuna lo. It looks like that's what happened with uNozipho. Anyway, you guys, it was good to see uLassie-ke vakashela uNozipho, and it's good to see ukuthi uNozipho is well, you guys, after the operation. Now, okay, something is going on with Coco, okay? But we have to do that on another video because a lot is going on. Listen, you guys, remember uNozipho, when we were introduced to her, because Mina, I only know her from the Mommy Club. we were introduced to her as the mother of 8, honey. Okay. And then we found out to go see some of those kids are not biologically hers, but they are her husband's kids, but she was raising all of them. Recently, you guys, I noticed that she says that she has 5 kids. So she's not counting the 3. And I think it's the 2 boys that went to the wedding and Ukoko. She's no longer counting them as her kids. I guess, you guys, if she's going her separate way, they're going their separate ways with her husband. I mean, she's no longer a stepmom. So now she doesn't say that she has 8 kids. She says she has 5. Okay. Now, you guys remember, the kids went to the wedding. Kababwabo, people were shocked because that had happened. It shouldn't have shocked us, really, you guys, because it is their father. They might not agree with him taking another wife, but at the end of the day, they're kids. It's really just kind of none of their business. They just have to support their father. So they went and they supported their father. I had thought, you guys, that maybe Unozipho had encouraged the kids to support their father because she just looks like and sounds like that person that would do that. Because, guys, listen, I know I'm having issues with your father marrying another wife, but you guys shouldn't have that issue. So go and support your father. I thought that Unozipho probably was the one that had done that. But the rest of the internet does not think that. The internet is thinking that those kids betrayed Unozipho. I don't want to lie, you guys. I mean, it was like in my heart, like really like those kids so quick. So quick. But yeah, we all know, you guys, that the relationship with stepmom and stepkids, it's always very complicated and it can turn bad very, very quick. And with Ukoko, the daughter Ntshangase, it looks like that, you guys. She's now supporting the new wife. And she's saying kind of some shady things about Nozipho. And I'm like, wow, wow. Like, not even wow. I'm like, wow, wow. Uyabona nje abanye abantu baye bathi, you know what, a woman must raise the kids that they birth nje ngoba hey, it can complicate your life. But again, we know that some situations don't allow, so sometimes you end up having to raise kids that are not your own. But listen, betrayal is right around the corner because sometimes the kids be doing what the kids do. Anyway, you guys, we are going to do another video where we talk about what Coco has been up to because she's not resting. You would swear that she's like the Nozipho's sister wife at this point, okay? The battles that she is fighting in the internet. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before uphume kuyona. Listen, if you want to nciphisa the stomach, contact uNozipho ngoba udokotela wakhe wenzile laphayana ke izinto. Kodwa ke mawusushona ke shem asinawo nje ama donations, asinawo i-economy isibambe ngobhongwane bakithi. Wazi nje ukuthi mawuya kulabo dokotela ushona njena unayo i-funeral cover. Make sure of it. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before uphume, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Cool.
Try to walk straight. My friend Leslie comes in, pops by with some coffee and croissants to see me. My day 3, I'm still trying to walk straight. I'm brave, girl. I've had 4 C-sections after all. And then day 4, I go to my surgeon for post-op, and he was very happy. My sister came with me. She's been taking care of me. Day 5, we're on the journey of recovery. And yeah, I still haven't gone to the loo though, so that was difficult. I'm swelling up, but it's not too bad. The drains are there, but I'm just getting used to them. Day 7, everything is normal again. It feels like I'm used to these babies. So yeah, that's been my day 7 post-op.